if you want, we can talk a bit about Facebook. Just want to give you some extra tips about lead gen. So today I just get on a call with my Facebook marketing expert. You know, if you run Facebook ads, right, you have the advantage of getting on a call with a marketing expert, right? And that is much more valuable than you attending Facebook classes. Seriously, because you're talking to someone who sees hundreds or even thousands of other people's campaign, right? So use that, leverage on that. If you got a chance to get on a call with a marketing expert from Facebook, do that, right? They will help you as much as they can. So the bring out is that one of the tip that they share with me is that the lead form for lead generation can be very powerful because there's a lot of rules that you can set. Like for instance, if the person have seen the lead form but did not register, those people who have registered but did not go through the action and so on. So when you do that, right, you can set up your rules very well, and that will help you to get better conversions. Now, with the lead form, the thing is that the quality of the opt-in, in my experience when I ran that last time, I stopped running that, is that the quality, it's not that good, right? Because it's pre-filled. The name, the email is pre-filled, and they just need to click submit, which is good and bad, which means that it gets more leads, but they don't think, they don't type, right? So they just press submit, and you capture the lead. So it's quite important that you have to monetize right away after they have opt-in in that sense. So that is one key point. And when you do the monetization, you got to make sure that, of course, the website is mobile friendly. Now, whatever I say to you may sound so logic, but I kid you not, so many people overlook all the small little matters. They do the lead form, and then they have some offer at the thank you page, but they didn't realize the thank you page offer, it is not mobile friendly page, and lead form only works on mobile, on phones, right? So imagine they go to a thank you page, they click on it, and then they see this website that is like not mobile friendly, and that's where the conversion drops like crazy, right?